In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the handy printed copy feature in Quick Receipt software. This feature automatically saves a digital copy of every receipt or document you print, making record keeping a breeze. Let's say you've just created a receipt for a customer. Now, you're ready to print it. As soon as you click Print, Quick Receipt automatically saves a digital image of your receipt. You don't have to do anything extra. To view your printed copies, simply navigate to the Printed Records tab. Here, you'll see a list of all your printed documents. Each entry shows the print time and date. Notice how each entry displays the exact time the document was printed. This helps you easily find the copy you need. Now, let's click on one of the print times. As you can see, the corresponding image of the printed document appears on the right-hand side. This allows you to quickly review the printed document without having to search through physical copies. This is incredibly useful for auditing, record keeping, or simply double-checking details after printing. The Printed Records tab provides a complete, organized history of all your printed documents. We hope you found this explanation of the printed copy feature helpful. Thanks for watching.